Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about 5 places you never knew existed. The catacombs in France are an underground ossuary located in Paris. They hold the remains of over 6 million people and were created in the late 18th century to address the problem of overflowing cemeteries. The bones were transferred from various city cemeteries to the abandoned quarries beneath the city. What makes the catacombs unique is their vast underground network, which visitors can explore today. The arrangement of skulls and bones into decorative patterns and designs also contributes to the eerie and intriguing atmosphere of the site.
Let's do a quick challenge. Are you new to our YouTube channel? Click the subscribe button below and click the bell icon beside it, or this mysterious being will visit you at night while you are sleeping. Just kidding. Thanks for subscribing to our channel. Let's continue.
The Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is the world's largest salt flat, spanning over 10,000 square kilometers. It's a unique natural wonder known for its vast expanse of white, flat surface, which is actually a crust of salt and other minerals. During the rainy season, a thin layer of water covers the salt flat, creating a stunning mirror effect that reflects the sky and surrounding landscape, making it appear as if you're walking on a mirror. It's a popular tourist destination and also holds significant lithium reserves, making it an important resource for Bolivia's economy. Forrest Well is a natural wonder located on the Oregon coast in the United States, near the Cape Perpetua scenic area. It's often referred to as the drain pipe of the Pacific, due to its appearance during high tide. Forrest Well is essentially a collapsed sea cave that creates a unique spectacle during certain tidal and weather conditions. When the waves crash into the collapsed cave, water is forced through the hole, creating a dramatic fountain-like effect. It's a popular attraction for photographers and tourists, but it's important to note that visiting during high tide or stormy weather can be dangerous, so caution is advised. Pamukkale is a natural thermal spring area located in southwestern Turkey. The name Pamukkale translates to Cotton Castle in Turkish, which aptly describes its unique appearance. The area is famous for its terraces of white mineral-rich deposits formed over thousands of years as the warm, calcium-rich water from the hot springs flows down the slope and cools. These terraces look like frozen white cascades, creating a visually stunning landscape. The nearby ancient city of Hierapolis also adds historical significance to the area. Visitors can explore the terraces, bathe in the warm mineral waters, and learn about the rich history of the region. The Giant's Causeway is a natural phenomenon located in Northern Ireland. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its unique and intriguing rock formations. The site is characterized by around 40,000 interlocking hexagonal basalt columns, which were formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago. Legend has it that the columns were built by a giant named Finn McCool to create a pathway to Scotland. In reality, these formations are a result of the cooling and solidification of lava. The Giant's Causeway is not only a geological wonder but also a popular tourist destination with stunning coastal views and interesting folklore.